In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scene in Colossyan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to click so you can confidently add a new scene to your project without breaking your flow. First, log into Colossyan. Use a reliable browser and a steady internet connection for the smoothest experience. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your workspace where your projects are organized. Logging in isn't just a formality, it ensures your work, settings, and media are available and safely stored as you move through the editor. Next, open your project in the editor. From your dashboard, select the project you want to work on, and Colossyan will load the editor interface. Give it a moment to fully load. This helps avoid any lag or missing elements. You should see your main preview area, options along the sides, and most importantly for this task, the storyboard toward the bottom of the screen. At the bottom, you'll see your storyboard. Think of the storyboard as a horizontal row of tiles, with each tile representing a single scene in your video. It gives you a clear, visual sequence of your content from left to right. This is where you manage pacing, flow, and structure. If your project already has scenes, you'll see them lined up. If it's a new project, the storyboard may be empty or show a starter scene. Now click on the plus button. You'll find the plus icon near the end of your storyboard. Clicking it tells Colossyan you want to add another scene to your sequence. This is a simple action, but it's the core of building your video. Every time you click the plus button, you expand your story with a new moment. Finally, select a template you want or use blank. After you click the plus icon, Colossyan will present a selection of templates. Templates offer ready-made layouts and styles to help you move faster while keeping your video consistent. Choose a template that matches your project's tone, professional, educational, or promotional. Or pick a blank scene if you prefer full control and a completely custom setup. Templates can save time if you're aiming for continuity, while a blank scene is great for unique layouts and precise design choices. Once you make your selection, the new scene will appear in your storyboard, ready for you to build on. That's all it takes. Log in, open your project, find your storyboard, click the plus button, and choose a template or a blank scene. With this foundation, you can keep your video organized and your ideas flowing smoothly.